Hi guys, welcome to 5 Minute Fridays. Woohoo! The name of the game is to finish a DIY project in 5 minutes or less. Let's go. Alright, we've got 5 minutes on the clock. Yay. We're recording. Oh, okay, let's start. Okay. So with this one, oh god, it's not hot enough yet. Okay, so with this one, it's purely decorative, but I do suggest if you want to make it more livable to sew it or stitch it. I did it on the wrong side. I did it on the freaking wrong side. Okay. Did I? Okay, we're gonna put it inside. So this would go like this, and then we can do this, maybe? Maybe we can, and then this side. Oh, I've never made a pillow before. Do you just do this? What if I just turn them like this? Okay, we're running out of fucking time. Yeah, that'll do. That will do. Next. I'm getting glue everywhere. Come on, you don't have time. Don't have time to heat up. Okay, did it. Stick. Aha! We're doing great. Okay, here. Oh my god, please be careful if you're using a glue gun. Stick. So I got the inspiration from actually a pillow I have downstairs, which is kind of got a boho style to it. I like the little frilly bits on it. So we're going to go in that direction. Oh, that's not even. It's okay. We'll make it work. Okay, now what we should do is turn it inside out without breaking it. Okay. Ah, fabulous. Turn. No time to fix everything. Okay. Stop. Next. I don't like these red bits, so we're gonna take them away. This, a little choppy. Okay, coming down to 2 minutes. This is not easy. Okay, glue. More glue. Keep coming. I burnt myself again. Maybe this isn't a good one to try at home because you will hurt yourself if you try and do it this quickly. Okay, that'll do. Side. Oh. What I'm using here for cloth is, it's just a Peggy Perfect on it. I have no idea. Oh god, I never did this. I have no idea if that's the name of these cloths. I found them in the cleaning aisle. Alright, this one's significantly bigger than the other one. We'll deal with that later. Maybe that's the style, huh? Okay. Fringing. Okay. Unravel. I don't know why I thought I could do this in 5 minutes. Unravel. Okay. This is my dog's brush. Okay, we're just gonna pretend it looks perfect. Glue. I had plans to tie these, but you know, this plan seemed to go out the window. You know. Okay, some more string. Oh my god, 55 seconds left. Just stick things everywhere. Not you. Stick and look pretty. Oh, 30 seconds. What can you do in 30 seconds? This is a bad idea. Not a bad idea if you have time. Bad idea if you've got 5 minutes. I don't know. No, 12 seconds. 12 seconds. I wanted to do so much fringing on this. It's not happening today. Okay, my glue gun has stopped working. No! Oh! We failed. I was very optimistic. Well, you want to see what I did? I'm a little embarrassed to show you. Ta-da! Oh, I can't use this in my house. Look at it. Bonus 2 minutes. We can do this, yeah? And get it to be something that I can put in my house. Ready? Oh, now I'm really nervous. Okay. Ready, set, go! Go! What did I say? Go! Go, go, go. Done. Put it down. Cut it. Excuse my language. Okay. Glue here. Glue. Okay. This. Maybe. That. Yeah. That. Brush. Brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No more. Just keep adding glue everywhere. It sticks. Make it functional. Oh, okay. You know what? Honestly, I don't know if I recommend to try this one at home because I've burnt myself a few times from the glue, so be careful if you do try this. I mean, those 2 minutes made a little difference. Let's go stuff it and see what it looks like in the sitting room. I might try this one again. Just maybe with a speedier glue gun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see me do some more 5 Minute Friday videos or you've got some ideas of your own, please leave a comment and let me know. But until next time,